Yeah.
Look what I made with your vitamins.
Wow.
Eagle eye.
Wow, look at you. You like to eat that stuff, don't you, huh?
But it's a longer than the world. Longer than the world.
It's longer than the world?
Uh-huh.
I don't think it's that big. Is that for me? Thanks, Leo.
Yes, it is. See? Look,
Is that for me too?
it's separated apart.
Oh.
Sorry, Mama. It's here. A vitamin's here.
Okay.
And that's there.
There's another vitamin here. Did you put that there, Sophia? Mmm.
吃很大口哈，有点像爸爸。
Oh, you want to give that to Mom now? You want to give that to me? Thanks, Leo. See, you're a pretty generous guy. Whoops.
Stop. The banana. Good thing.
Come on, Leo, don't throw that stuff on the floor.
Yeah. We don't even put the stuff on the floor.
Mmm.